Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 457 different strategies, with 140 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator, trading a live trading account, and using the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 356 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,062 indicators, with 443 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says this oscillator tells you exactly where to buy and sell. And so we're going to put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. And now they're not using just one single indicator. And so now the oscillator itself does seem to give you buy and sell signals. And so that is good. But again, we'll see how the strategy turns out. We'll go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the 2-pole oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and you'll leave this on the default settings. If I crunch it down, you can kind of see it there a little bit clearer, basically an oscillating line there. And then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the volumetric variable index dynamic average, this one right here, or they also call it the VIDIA. And so go ahead and add that one to the screen and jump into the settings, and under the VIDIA length, change that to 34. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when we have price trading above the video line. So you can see that that line's here, and you can see that it's green line and painting this green background. And then what we're looking for is we're looking for the oscillator here at the bottom, the 2-pole oscillator, to dip to the downside underneath this lower line right here. And then we're looking for when it gives a light blue circle or tag like this right here. It's kind of hard to see that tag. If I hide the video, you can see that now a little bit clearer. And that will be our signal to then enter into a long trade. Now this tag right here doesn't actually appear until 2 bars into the future, so keep that in mind. Now you can do 1 bar into the future and it'll show just across the 2 lines without the signal actually being really kind of confirmed. And so you can do that as well. But nonetheless, this is where we'll enter into the long right here. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot area, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And it takes just a little bit. We kind of run into consolidation, then we make this really strong push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is price trading below the VIDIA line here. You can see that it's red, giving this reddish colored background. Then we're looking for the oscillator here, the 2-pole oscillator, to break the upper line right here, that's uppermost band. Then we're looking for it to give us a purple tag like this right here, which will be the sell signal, again 2 bars into the future. So we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above above this pivot area here that it formed. And then we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. You see that we make this push to the downside and we wick down into our take profit, getting us to that take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we had 28 winning trades and 22 losing trades, putting that at a 56% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,800 for an overall gain of $8,000 altogether. So a really decent strategy and win rate. Not too bad at all. Might play around with it though and see if it holds up, and just make sure that it's not doing anything weird, but it seemed to do really well. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 45 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 82% win rate. If we were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $12,600 altogether. So better results. And if you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $22,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we're still at winning trade number 70. 70 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at that. That's using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In back testing, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join the Discord and look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.